Making guitar simple. With Porrick Mather, you can do this.
In this video, we will take one more step towards getting people to change the chords in one move rather than 3 moves. This is a huge issue for most people learning guitar and can be rectified with a few weeks of the correct kind of practice. Let's look at an A chord, thumb and top triangle, clawed hand, and A. To change, I'll break this into a couple of steps. These 2 fingers would come off, this would slide to here, and these would then drop down to here. That's the quickest possible way to get to a D chord. And reversing back to A, these fingers off, you would slide back and put the fingers back on for the A. Done quickly. It's all done at the same time. That's what makes the chord fast. Let's simplify it. Keep your thumb on top and keep your finger clawed. Here's a little exercise to help you to get this. If I look at it very close up, or you can squeeze out this video on your screen and you will see that I'm constantly pressing in, and I'm going from the corner of that fret for the A position to the middle of this fret for the D position. When I'm back, you could then add these 2 fingertips for the A, then take them off, slide across and put the 2 of them down for the D, preferably not one at a time, the 2 together. Beginners tend to go that way, then off, slide back. Beginners would go 1 at a time, but if you could get the 2 together. And once you're getting a handle on that, you need to be able to do all this at the same time. So as you're sliding the 3rd finger across, these are dropping down behind it. And as you're sliding back, these are going up. And that's how you change from a D to an A chord. You're looking at no more than 5 or 6 days maximum to get this. If you have to perform tonight with the old D, stay with it, and the old D, stay with it. But in private, keep practicing this. And within a week or 2, as soon as you feel comfortable and good enough to bring this change in, bring this in when you're performing, and you won't have to go back to the other anymore. I hope this video makes sense. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm going to post a lot more of these videos over the next 6 months.